we got him. Get him this time.
What are you going to do?
Going ashore.
But you can't leave him there to be killed.
We haven't a chance with that gang.
Oh, Alan, do something. Salerno will kill him.
That'll stop him. Gone. What are you going to do now? I got an idea. Go down below, warm up the engines. Come on, you heard me. You've done splendidly. Those scoundrels might have killed you.
We'd better get this stuff inland before they cause any more trouble.
Look, the ship's pulling away.
They're deserting us.
We must go inland at once. My cave's too small for all of us, but I know a place in the hillside where we can build a barricade.
The treasure's gone.
Gone? What's the idea of getting underway?
I want the gang ashore to think we pulled out to put them off the track.
I didn't think you were going to give it up.
Well, I should say not. We'll drop anchor in some little cove on the east side, land and head back.
I've got it. A perfect specimen of the Janus lapide caroensis. Be careful of it till I find a suitable container.
But I don't want to be careful of it, Professor Bell. I don't want anything to do with that thing.
George. The lapide, George. What did you do with it?
It bit me and run away. Please, was that a poison one?
Don't be an ignoramus. The lapide is harmless, perfectly harmless. Now I'll have to go look for another one.
That's easy. There's one crawling down your neck now.
Ooh.
Kyoga and Caius have been gone a long time.
Nothing to be worried about, Beth?
Seemed a bit silly to me, Kyoga's insistence on burying that treasure, particularly with all these rifles around to protect it.
Did Mukui go with them?
I didn't notice.
Did Mukui go with Kyoga?
No, ma'am, Miss Beth. McCoy and the dog going out to try to trap something to eat.
Well, which way did he go?
That way. But if you is going out there alone, you better be careful, because there's tigers and Indians and all kinds of things in that forest.
I'll be all right.
Well, I suppose you've got the treasure buried.
No one will be able to find it. Where's Beth? I thought she might like this.
Where did Beth go, George?
She went out in the woods to find that Mr. McQuarrie man.
She shouldn't have done that. Which way did she go?
She went that way.
Stay here with Dr. Monroe, Caius.
Caius, give us a hand.
Yeah.
You should know better than to come out into the forest alone.
I'm sorry. I'll go right back to camp.
Oh, there's no time for that now. I have to go to my cave for some arrowheads.
Whatever you say, Kyoga.
Here's what we'll do. We'll head across the island. The Monroe party will camp near the coast. They don't dare go into native country. All right, let's go then. There's that white savage with the Monroe girl. Wait a minute. You want to tell the whole island we're still on it? Take it easy and get under cover.
I never approached the cave this way before. How on earth do you get across?
On this?
Well, isn't it dangerous? Suppose it should break.
It won't break. I tie it off to the rocks up there. When it begins to wear, make a new one. Come on.
The treasure must be in that cave. Come on. Go on down that ledge and cover the entrance.
These furs will be useful at the camp. We leave now. Keep back.
Boy, that was close. Blast him out of there. Wait a minute.
I got a better idea. Get some brush from that ledge down there and pile it around the mouth of the cave. We'll smoke them out.
They're going to try to smoke us out. There's no other way out.
Tioga.
I think I know a way out.
Come on.